ABC News has just confirmed with two sources familiar last week and urged this rapprochement that we saw in the form of that overnight apology.
Very clear he was willing to use the power of his office to punish Elon Musk.
Recently.
The bill is so good when he went after the bill. This bill is going to turn around this country so fast your head will spin.
Oh my God. I'm in Palm Springs. It's so hot. It's like 100 degrees. I'm absolutely sweating already. I'm gonna go eat breakfast. It's gonna be a great little trip. I need it. I need some summer feelings. I need some summer mood. I need to feel like it's gonna be a great year. It's all that relaxing today. I was stuck in the hotel room until 11 a.m. because I'm taking some online courses this summer, and this is probably the reason why I don't really have this summer vibe, because I usually don't study for the summer session. I'm usually off and I'm usually thriving and enjoying my life, and I can't do that. I have to plan my entire schedule around my university, because these motherfuckers, I'm taking online classes. Why the fuck do they need to assign things and open assignments only for 1 hour at certain days? That forces me to be at home.
Good morning, America. Come join us for breakfast.
It slaps. It's so good. It's a cherry Danish. This is also the first year I'm actually spending summer in Los Angeles. I'm usually away. I'm going home for a month to Sweden, to my home country. But the majority of the summer I will spend it in Los Angeles due to university. So it's weird. I'm just not used to being here. I mean, I'm in Palm Springs right now. The rest of the time, I'm in Los Angeles.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Jack Douglas, and this is the mountainous desert area near Palm Springs, California.
Now, thinking about it, probably the state of the world right now is in shambles. There's so many things happening. There is batshit crazy things happening in the world right now. Even just in Los Angeles, it took me 4 hours to come to Palm Springs because LAPD was blocking some exits in downtown because the Orange Man decided to deploy the National Guard. Talking about that Orange Man in office. This is probably why this summer sucks so bad. It's so hot. I'm dying. I'm so sweaty. I don't have a lot of summer clothes, so... Oh no, I'm gonna have to go shopping. That sucks. I've been going around for an hour or so. I'm at the point where, you know, your thighs are burning. It's 100 degrees. I think the only thing that I need to do is to put myself by the pool and just chill. I'm gonna get some lunch. There was this woman. I was just eating lunch at Jensen's Finest Food, and this woman comes up to me and she's asking me politely to leave because she's a tutor and she's gonna tutor some kids and that she needs the area.
I'm so sorry, I would never disturb you.
It's okay, don't worry.
Yeah, I tutor middle school, high school, and...
She was not affiliated with the grocery store. It's like, I paid my lunch. But you know what? I'm a little bitch. And I said, oh, yeah, no problem. I'm just going to finish that and I'll leave. Yeah. It really smells like men in here. Like men perfume. I'm on my way to go to the movie theater because I'm gonna watch the new Wes Anderson movie, The Phoenician? The Phoenician. I don't really know how you pronounce that, but whatever. I really wanted to watch it and I didn't really have time in Los Angeles. And they have some student discount, $13. I didn't have much to do either. So, I'm so cringe.
These, believe it or not, are trailer homes.
People are so nice here. Like, you can tell they're relaxed and not stressed out like in Los Angeles. People like are smiling, they want to talk. Most of my summers, I always spend them partying. I'm usually in Europe. I'm drinking and eating unhealthy. This is so funny when people are like, I went to Europe and I lost weight. Bitch, not me. I'm usually away for summer. I go back to my home country, Sweden. And I usually spend 2 or 3 months over there for summer. And I usually lose all routine when it comes to food, when it comes to working out, when it comes to like having healthy habits. It's just down the drain. And when I come back to the US in August, I'm taking like, there is like a certain time, like 1 month or 2, where I just continue eating unhealthy and not waking up early and all of that. And I felt like this year I don't want to do the same mistake, so I decided to go back to my home country for only 1 month, which allows me to not lose all my routines. Talking about alcohol, I feel like I've been talking about it in my previous videos, especially the one where I went to Vegas. I haven't drank a drop of alcohol since January. So it's been half a year and I want to continue. And the problem is that every single time I go back to Europe, I always end up partying and drinking. And I you know, you have this summer vibe and this summer feeling that kind of pushes you to drink because, like, you know, you just want to enjoy your summer. And I think this summer I'm gonna try to enjoy without needing to be intoxicated. Like, I just like feel so shameful every single time I wake up and I'm hangover and I'm just like overthinking everything that I did. I have so much anxiety and I don't want to put myself through that. You know, in Los Angeles, I have pretty healthy habits. I just never go out. I never drink. I don't do much. I just like focus on myself and focus on YouTube and stuff like that. And I just like, I tend to not stick to that lifestyle when I'm in Sweden, in Europe. Jesus, have mercy! I hope I'm not gonna die! Tetanus, a serious bacterial infection that causes painful muscle spasms and can lead to death. A vaccine can easily prevent that infection, which has no cure! What vaccines are mandatory in... What vaccines are mandatory in France? I grew up in France. Tetanus is part of them. I'm not gonna die today. I'm definitely gonna blur my foot because A, it's dirty, and 2, I'm not gonna sell my foot for profit to crepes online. Why the fuck did I put some flip-flops, first of all? Who goes to the desert in flip-flops?